Hey you guys, what's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Alright, Carol of Fort Collins, Colorado writes in, on July 5th, there was a violent storm with very strong winds that broke the awning off my house, ripped off many shingles off the roof to the deck, and the wood was exposed. The roofer told me that about the exposed wood on the roof and put a few temporary patches on it. The adjuster came out and told me I could go to the farm store and buy fiberglass and repair the awning myself. What? I showed him where the water was leaking through the ceiling from the roof and dripping on the ceiling fan. I asked him if I could turn the fan on that way. He said, that's up to you. Now, this does not sound like a friendly adjuster or a cooperative adjuster when there's that much proof. And if it's covered, why aren't they paying for it? Why do I have to go repair my awning? I don't even know how to do that. Like, what are these suggestions that the adjuster is making? That's not even legitimate. It's not even reasonable. Why are they making these suggestions? Right? It's because you don't understand the claims process. You don't understand how this thing is going to roll. And if you had me standing in that room with you and the adjuster, do you think the adjuster would say that? Do you think the adjuster would give you some BS explanation on why you should be fixing your own awning, or why the roof's not covered, or that the ceiling fan water's coming down into your property from the roof damage that just occurred on July 5th, right? No, trust me when I say the adjusters act much differently when we are there, because we hold them accountable to the policy, which is a contract that you are paying for, so when damage occurs to your property, that the insurance company should pay legitimate claims for legitimate storm damage. And if they're not, then you need to contact us sooner than later. And the reason I say sooner than later is this. At the very beginning of the claims process from the date of loss, so in this case it's July 5th. If you wait a year, you lose a lot of rights. You based on the policy, what the policy says, which is just a contract, okay? Policy is just a term for contract, okay? If you wait that long, you lose all sorts of stuff that you can possibly do. If you wait 2 years, even more stuff. 3 years, even more stuff. However, okay, in the policy, it can dictate if you don't contact us 5 days after the storm, we're not gonna cover the claim. And this is why you need to know your policy, or have somebody on your team, okay? Have somebody on your team helping you make sure you get your claim paid. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. We will see what's going on and see what we can do to help you out. bellatorclaims.com.